In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Salesflare. If you want a clear, reliable way to stay on top of follow-ups and collaborative work, tasks in Salesflare make it simple. I'll walk you through creating a task, assigning it to yourself or a teammate, and seeing exactly where it shows up so nothing slips through the cracks. First, let's create a task from the Tasks page. Open Salesflare and go to the Tasks section. You'll see a big orange plus button. Click that to start a new task. Type a short, action-focused description that explains what needs to be done. You can add a due date if you want to plan ahead. It's optional, but helpful for prioritizing. If you choose not to set a date, the task will appear in the Today list by default, so it's immediately visible. When you're ready, you'll assign it, then make sure to save. You can also create tasks directly from a contact, an account, or an opportunity you're working on. Open the relevant record, look at the right-hand timeline, and switch to the Tasks tab. Click the plus button to add a task that's automatically linked to that record. This keeps your to-dos organized in context, so when you open that person, company, or deal later, the work is right there with the related activity. Next, assign the task. While creating or editing, look for the assignee icon, typically next to the date icon. Click it and choose the teammate responsible, or select yourself if you're the owner. Once you assign it, the task is routed to that person's list, and they'll see it in their tasks. Don't forget to save to confirm the assignment. If you need to change owners later, no problem. Find the task in your list or in the record's timeline. Click the three dots beside it. Choose Edit and update the assignee. Save your changes and the task moves to the new owner's list immediately. Here is where assigned tasks appear. In the Tasks page, they'll show under Today or Upcoming, depending on whether you set a due date. The assignee will also see them in My Tasks on their side, and if the task is tied to a contact or company, it will also be visible in that record's timeline, keeping everything connected and easy to review. That's it. Create the task where you work, assign it to the right person, and save. With these steps, your team stays coordinated and your pipeline keeps moving.